Welcome to the assembly manual for the Nissi buffet. In step 1, position pieces 2 and fit the E accessories. Fix the C and M accessories in the indicated locations. Position the pieces 1 and secure all the M accessories. Fix the Q and J accessories. In step 2, position parts 4 and 6, then attach accessories E and N. Fit the accessories F and O. Position part 7 and fit the F accessories. And secure with the R accessories. Position the fixed part 3 with the K accessories. Fix the R accessories. Position part 9 and attach accessories M, then attach accessories R. Position part 8 and secure the R accessories. Position part 5 and secure it with accessories N. Then fit accessories E. Finally, secure accessories R in the indicated locations. In step 4, attach the M accessories. In step 5, position pieces 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 and secure accessories D and M fit the accessories E. In step 6, fix the N accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the M and R accessories in the indicated locations. Fix the K accessories and all the indicated locations. In step 7, position pieces 18 and secure them with accessories I. Fix the I and P accessories in the indicated locations. In step 8, fix accessories A and L in the indicated locations. Fix the G and L accessories to piece 17. Finally, fix the H and L accessories on doors 15 and 16.